In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, there lived a peculiar boa named Boa. Unlike his kin, Boa had a unique ability to blend seamlessly with his surroundings. This talent made him invisible to many, yet his presence was always felt. One day, Boa noticed a small bird, Coco, trapped in a hunter's snare. With a heavy heart, he pondered the conundrum: should he reveal his existence to help Coco, or remain hidden, preserving his invisibility? Boa, known for his thoughtfulness, decided to help. He gently untangled Coco from the snare, setting her free. Coco, filled with gratitude, asked Boa why he didn't remain hidden. Boa, with a wise smile, replied, "Sometimes, the greatest strength is not in being invisible, but in choosing to be visible when it matters." Word spread about Boa's heroic act. Animals began to see him not as a hidden threat, but as a protector. Boa's invisibility had allowed him to observe without being judged, and his act of kindness allowed him to be seen and respected. However, Boa's life changed after that day. He was no longer just a part of the scenery, he was a part of the community. He learned that while being invisible had its advantages, being visible allowed him to make a difference. Boa's story serves as a reminder that sometimes, the most significant impact comes not from blending into the background but from stepping forward when it matters most. It is in our choices, not our invisibility, that we truly shine.